Good afternoon, everyone. Here we go again. Another example of offshore global village idea that doesn't work. Must be the translation problems or something. Anyway, the wiring schematic with the wiring lettering, which for years used to be on here, is completely wrong. As you can see, it's saying green right there. That's the trailer lights is proper for the truck. And the ground, see the ground? That's what just caused $1,000 in damage to my freaking trailer. It melted the whole harness. I'm going to call this company and they're going to pay for damages. Okay, because it's incorrectly wired and it melted my whole car carrier harness. I had to replace the whole thing. Now, it almost went on fire and caused an accident. The brakes, the ground and positive were flipped. Now this thing here, this shows correct. This is correct, except on here, the kid that hooked it up, which he tried to do it the right way, followed the instructions on here, which are backwards. Okay? And it shorted a direct short out. And I had to cut the whole harness under the frame, and the new tilt trailer, hydraulic tilt trailer, ruined the harness. And the electric brakes, the whole, I'm not even going to say nothing. I'm like steaming right now. And this is just an example of more of this stuff going on. And I'm not going to sit here and whine and cry. I'm just fixing it right now. And what's crazy, remember, when you do these trailer lights, you look at this, right? That's that direction in the mirror, okay? But when you turn it around to look at it, remember, there's two sides to the plug. So what's showing you on this side facing you, when you go to the other side, it's on the other side. So it gets kind of confusing for people. So you got to verify it with a meter, which I'm doing here because I have a, through to the colors to the frame of the actual tow vehicle. Anyway, so I just want to warn everyone. It's this company here, it was from Tractor Supply. I just bought it. Been around forever. And I'm going to call them and tell them because. How many other people are having, there's a number, I bet you that number rings in Taiwan or somewhere weird where there's nobody there. I called the Werner ladders. Remember when the ladder rack fell off my van because of the Chinese bolts that broke? Almost killed people. Brand new ladder rack, Werner, heavy duty, went on my van. I put scaffolding ladders on it. The 1/4-20 crappy bolts, the Chinesium bolts, I couldn't even tighten them, they snapped. And the whole thing came off. It could have killed people. So I called like 10 people at Werner. They don't care. They're not even in the United States. It's just a small building in Pennsylvania now. And they have their manufacturing guess where? And they could give a damn. Unless you get an attorney after them. It's not cool, man. I mean, they should immediately have... That's a safety thing that people can get killed from that. Even this, the brakes could have went on. Who knows what could have happened with this trailer. And it melted the harness. Could have caused a fire at a motorhome. Or, a camper trailer. It could have caused an electrical fire. People could have got hurt or died. Anyway, I'm going to call them tomorrow. I'm usually polite to the people on the phone because usually it's not the person on the phone's fault. They're just doing their job. It's some nice person that doesn't know. They're just like a punching bag the company hires, right? Anyway, here we go. So, again, wrong labeling on the plastic black. They do not follow that word lettering. It has to go with the tow vehicle. All trailer wiring is the same in the United States, the way the order goes on 7-blade connectors. So anyway,